Okay, so welcome to how to set up Google Analytics 4. So, whether you've never set it up before or you've never used it before, this is the easiest way to set it up. So, you go to developers.google.com/analytics, or you can just, search it on Google. And then when you get to this, you're just going to go to analytics. So, if you already had a analytics set up, it would just show you your analytics. If not, you'll just hit start measuring. So, for start measuring, you're going to create a new account name. This could be simple. You could be like, whatever. Let's say you have a site called Animal. You could be like Animal Site Analytics. You want to make it so it's a little descriptive, so you know exactly um, what's going on. And then you hit next, and then you create a property name. This is really to measure your web and app data. So each property is going to hold your measurement data for any selection of websites and apps you choose. So we're going to go animal site is the site that we're going to be collecting the data for. And then you can pick up which, if you're beauty, fitness, whatever you are, really, this is up to you depending on what your business details are. And this is like a little bit of an important thing as well, because you're going to get personalized recommendations based on what you choose. So let's say you're to drive sales, understand web traffic, and view user engagement and retention. um, Hit this, agree, I accept. And now you will go here, and then you'll start collecting data. So you could choose depending on what you're looking to collect data on. Let's say it's a web platform. You would throw in your site here, whatever your site is, your URL is. Let's say it is, let's just create a, I think this is a one that I have, shop my site and you can go ahead and hit create and continue. And there you go. No data is received in the last 48 hours. And then so once you set that up, it'll take you to set up a Google tag. And, this is, since it's a Shopify, it is a Shopify website. It will say install with Shopify, or you can install manually by adding these tags in. So this is basically step one, and I'll upload another video kind of describing how to install this manually versus installing with Shopify.